Turkey, rising in every sense day after day. Our country is growing, developing. While the third bridge across the Bosphorus and the third airport projects are in progress at full speed, here comes another giant project to make our economy stronger and our lives more convenient. Here we are blazing a new trail for our country. We introduce our first domestic aircraft to the sky. We are getting ready to make new routes in the sky with our national aircraft. We can fly from Konya to Erzurum, or from Mardin to Van, from Bolu to Gaziantep, from Mersin to Sinop, from Denizli to Kayseri, from Hakkari to Hatay, or even to other cities abroad, with which we have historical, cultural, and economic relations. From Erzincan to Tabriz, from Diyarbakır to Erbil, from Sivas to Tirana. We can now expand our destinations that were limited to big cities only to every corner of Turkey with cross flights, one of the greatest capabilities of our new aircraft. Any destination you like will be within reach. Our country's journey to its national aircraft starts with the TRJ-328. The TRJ-328, which is our first step to manufacturing our own national aircraft, is now in Turkey. TRJ-328 is ready for production with multi-purpose use functions, which will be completely modernized and launched into the sky by Turkish engineers in a few years. As an important step towards production of our own 100% domestically built aircraft, the TRJ-328 helps us reduce the 14-year period required for building an aircraft from design, prototyping, quality verification processes to production stage to as short as 6 years. This way, our national aircraft project will easily come true. And our source of pride. Turkish from tip to toe, the TRJ-628 will be our first national aircraft. A state-of-the-art technology masterpiece to be created by Turkish engineers. A brand new name that will open new dimensions in aviation and blaze a trail of success in the sky, resonating with the world. The TRJ-628, with a seating capacity between 50 to 70 passengers, opens a brand new dimension in aviation, making air transport as practical as road and sea travel. Our national aircraft, equipped with the latest technology, will be able to land on or take off from shorter runways and uneven surfaces. Thanks to the special structure and capacity facilities of our national aircraft, besides being a passenger aircraft, they are also intended for use as an air ambulance aircraft, maritime patrol aircraft, VIP, military transport aircraft, or for special missions. Our national aircraft will provide cost advantage as they will be able to fly fully booked in short-distance domestic flights, unlike larger aircraft. And besides transforming our domestic airline system, they will also be marketed around the world, bringing prestige to our country and developing our economy. Our domestically built aircrafts are taking firm steps towards becoming a leader in the Turkish and the global aviation industry. It is Turk in the sky, a latest achievement of the Turkish nation, who always aims for the best. It is the starting point of the national era in the skies.